Thoughtful, intentional design is the core of the best residential lighting services. Every detail, from the control of color and brightness to the types of products you recommend, is noted and appreciated by your customers. You can set yourself apart from your competition and elevate your offerings. We're going to walk through 5 upgrades to make your outdoor lighting design stand out and take your business to the next level. Number 1. Zoning capabilities. Great lighting designs highlight the best features of a property, the things that make it unique. By offering zoning capabilities to your customers, you can give them the opportunity to create custom lighting zones that highlight specific areas independently. And by adding Luxor cubes from FX Luminaire, you can control other outdoor devices such as bistro lighting, automatic gates, water features, and more. Number 2. Dimming features. The brightness of lighting can set the look and tone for a property. With dimming features, you can add sophistication to your lighting design. From moderate brightness for hosting parties to extremely dim for an outdoor movie, your customers can adjust the brightness for any occasion. Number 3. Color control. Adding color controls to your designs is a great way to allow your customers to express their creativity through lighting. It can be perfect for special occasions or holidays, with everything from vibrant colors to subtle hues. Incorporating a splash of personality, like the colors of their favorite team, can help your lighting designs feel even more unique and custom. Number 4. Energy efficiency. The right lighting products can save your customers a lot of money in the long run. Energy-efficient lighting that can dim throughout the night, or switch to only pathway lights for guiding people safely on walkways, can cut down on your customer's electricity bill. Designing with budgets and sustainability in mind can go a long way for your customers and lead to referrals in the future. Number 5. Maximum control capabilities. Your customers want to make their home theirs. That means having full control over everything we've just talked about and more. So, you need something more sophisticated than a simple on-off controller. Look for products that can deliver on all fronts, like the FX Luminaire Luxor controller. The right controller can provide the premium experience customers look for, with unparalleled customization and control. Your customers want to accentuate their home in a way that makes their outdoor spaces feel like they're one of a kind. And by giving your customers full control, you're helping them achieve the look they want while bringing your business to the next level. Visit a SiteOne branch to learn more about outdoor lighting design and solutions.